Take a ride in the 2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, fog lights, security system, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, power driver's seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.